Okay, good afternoon class. So, ako ay wala pang laptop so dito muna ako sa cellphone. At I don't know how to share the Doc Rolly, the module 1. Good afternoon everyone. So ngayon lahat ba ay mga pwedeng pabuksan yung inyong mga tawag nito camera. Iyon. So
Hello, Doc
welcome
Kid.
to the
Hello, Doc Kid.
Yes sir. Yes doc.
Some of these students are in Africa, so actually they don't understand Filipino. And so if we can
Wow.
use their language, this is a challenge we are in international. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Actually,
it's
it's
a
very
challenge.
challenging. So, the problem now is wala akong laptop so hindi ko maano yung natin. By the way, if everyone hear me, okay, I tried my best. Try our best by God's grace that everyone can understand. So I use Taglish. Wala na. Okay. So BSD 200, the biblical doctrine of salvation. So, if we talk about the salvation, what comes from our mind? So, is anybody volunteer?
Hello.
Yes, go ahead. What what comes to your mind when you hear the word salvation? Is anyone?
Yes, Doc.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Salvation
Yep.
is being saved from any harm and in danger.
Mhm. Wow. How can you understand salvation?
Salvation is a grace from God.
Wow. Very, very impressive. Salvation is a gift from God. And in chaplaincy, understanding a patient view of salvation is the first step in providing the meaningful and spiritual care. So in biblical, what is the biblical soteriology? What does it mean?
Salvation is eternal life.
According to Matthew 1:21, what says? Yeah. Okay. This is derived from the Greek word soteria, no? Soteriology. So it means, in our words today, is salvation or logos to study. It is a central to the Christian faith, focusing on how God rescues humanity. No? So now in our time, the meaning and scope of salvation, dimension of salvation is the redemption purchased by Christ's blood. And then the forgiveness, removal of guilt, and reconciliation, peace with God. So in John 3:16, this emphasizes that the motivation for salvation is,
Abot ko
yeah,
na naman pinakain ng charger.
uh, ano daw, medyo choppy-choppy. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead, ma'am. According to Nino, salvation is a relation restoration from a broken relationship. Yes, that's correct. So back to our ano niya here. Okay.
Nawala na naman.
The kid, I think you're muted. The kid Bael, I think you're
Nawala
muted or
si
nawala siya.
Kael.
Nawala nga eh.